Hello everyone, today's news topic is DRDO's new missile. Let's come read with me. So today we will discuss an important development in India's defense sector related to Defense Research and Development Organization or DRDO. Recently DRDO completed the final development trials of the UAV launched Precision Guided Missile version 3, also known as ULPGM V3. The trial were conducted at DRDO's test range in Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. After these development trials, the missile will now move towards user trials by the Indian Armed Forces. This topic is important for UPSC because it is connected with India's indigenous defense technology, drone warfare, precision strike capability, and the shift toward network-centric warfare. Now, let us discuss why this missile is significant. According to DRDO scientists, the ULPGM V3 is a major advancement over the earlier V1 and V2 variants. V1 was mainly a free-fall precision missile. V2 introduced propulsion, longer range, and mid-course target updates. But V3 is much more advanced because it can engage both ground and aerial targets, including drones, helicopter, armed vehicle, and bunkers. This makes it a highly versatile weapon system for modern battlefields. Another important feature is its advanced guidance system. The missile uses multiple sensors for accurate target tracking and can operate in both planes and high-altitude region during both day and night. It is also equipped with a 2-day data link. This is very important because it allows operators to change or update the target even after the missile has been launched. The missile is capable of engaging both stationary and moving target in all weather conditions. Now, from the strategic perspective, this development reflects the growing importance of drone warfare and network-centric warfare. In modern conflicts, drones are increasingly used for surveillance, precision strikes, and asymmetric warfare. And the article also highlights the importance of indigenous defense manufacturing. DRDO has partnered with Bharat Dynamic Limited and Adani Defense System and Technologies Limited for the development and production of the missile. According to the Ministry of Defense, the ULPGM V3 has been produced entirely within the Indian defense ecosystem using DRDO laboratories and Indian companies. This support the government's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and reducing dependence on imports. Overall, the ULPGM V3 represents India's growing capability in precision-guided weapon, anti-drone combat, anti-indigenous defense technology. For UPSC, this topic is important for defense technology, internal and external security DRDO initiative. Thank you for watching.